This is we're driving along kanina pagbaba mo ng marker na to.
Omar's
Matar
the
Street.
Omar is the next.
Huh?
Omar is where you will turn left.
Left or right?
Left.
Left.
This is Jafar Street. It's where their small stores are. Where gold lines the street of Jafar.
Jafar?
It's Jafar Street. Tahar Street. Can't read it. It's so small. But it's just like the... What street can you compare this to in Manila? RJ. Visoria.
Divisoria.
Or in Davao, there's this street, diba, yung where all the market is. Ano nga yan?
Ayan ko rin.
Parang ganyan.
Left makita tayo. So I'm positioning
Turn
left
left.
side.
700 meters, turn left.
Okay.
Look at their buildings. It looks cleaner because they're all the same colors. Monochromatic. Sa Philippines pa to, ibang kulay. Then you have rusted roofs. They don't have, the roof material is also not steel. It's not also galvanized steel. It's still stone.
May roof ba sila? Wala silang roof.
Stone pa rin, di ba?
No? Anong disadvantage kung stone lang ang ano mo?
Leaks.
Ha?
But if you have leaks, then you just cover it up with concrete, right? Heavy.
Heavy siya.
Might fall
They don't
over.
mind lagi.
Oo nga eh. I don't think, hindi naman, I think they also have ceilings. Hindi rin, no?
Wala kasi
Hindi,
parang
you know, look,
halos.
may galvanized steel sa kanyang roof. May ibang some parts of it.
Napansin ko talaga halos. Parang ganun talaga.
They don't have slanting roofs like we do because it don't rain naman much here.
Dito.
Tayo, we have to slant our roofs because of the rain, di ba? And rain.
Pero as in zero rain sila dito. Like they don't.
Desert man
Meron
sila.
din.
Meron sila.
Wala bang ano
May
dito?
mali tayo. Left tayo. We just follow.
400 meters pa.
Straight pa lang? We just follow.
Left. Kasi 400 meters pa. So
Straight pa tayo?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sure ka?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm the navigator.
Today, so tomorrow is
350.
tomorrow.
Merging traffic, careful. 300 before turning left. Look at the houses, so parang nagpile up over each other. But actually, it's because of the slope. You're lining the slope. Yes,
Tama
250
Okay.
before turning left. 220.
In 200 meters, slide left to stay on Omar
Slide left.
Matar Street.
So, I mean, stay in this lane lang siguro, don't turn right. So, straight.
Stay on this lane lang.
Reroute siya.
Oo ba tayo? Hindi siya nagpapalo sa...